What's going on, guys? Yeah, I ordered a bike in the mail. It's supposed to come either today or in between from the 15th of August, which is today, to August 20th. I was just hoping it would come sooner than later. So right now, that bike is going to come soon, hopefully. It's called the Ancheer bike, Ancheer. It's one of the, it's not expensive. It's probably the Rad Mini is a a lot of people talking about that bike. That bike costs about, I'll say, $1,800 to $2,000+ easy. So this bike right here, is more cheaper, but I do have a car and I could just drive to work on days that it might be rainy or it might be snowing. But I could use that other bike to maneuver from here and forward to work and not sweat, being that it's an electrical bike. Also, I'm gonna show y'all the assembly process of the bike when it does arrive. I'm gonna also show you guys platforms that I utilize. I haven't been utilizing it lately, but I'm going to get back onto it. It's a good source of income, a good source of secondary income. You utilize probably working for Postmates. I used to work for Postmates. Right now, I don't do TLC no more because I've been too busy doing I'm a security personnel, so I've been doing that, probably full time. So but the TLC was a good look too. TLC was a good look. Food delivery platforms is a good look. It's more flexible than TLC if you're doing it with a company. But yeah. I'm gonna post the video. I'm gonna post the video soon of how to assemble the bike and how to do other things like the food delivery and delivery in. I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah. And stay tuned, man. Check out my website. It's shouldrive.com. SHOULDDRIVE.com. The website information is in the description. And stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Hopefully that bike comes real soon. I'm hoping it does.